Okay, so for today, you are using two theorems we talked about to find measures in and outside of a triangle. So the first one is the interior sum theorem, which just states that all the interior angles of a triangle have to add up to be 180. So number one is an example of that. So 65 plus 57 plus our question mark has to equal 180. So first I'm going to combine my like terms. That gives me 122 plus my question mark equals 180. And then I'm going to subtract 122, and my question mark would equal 58. And that's my answer for number one. The other theorem we talked about is the exterior angle theorem, which just states that the outside angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite inside. So using that, I know that this one is equal to this angle here plus 100, because those are the inside angles opposite this outside angle. So these are a little bit trickier. So you just have to use all sorts of angle relationships that we've talked about. So I know that this angle here and this angle here are vertical. So I know that they are congruent. So that means if this side is 35, then this side is 35. Then I know that my question mark is going to equal 35 plus 100, which would make the answer 135. Okay? All right. The second one is, I want to look at is number 7. So if we look here, this angle here is formed by these two intersecting lines. So I can't just add these two together and get the question mark. But what I do see is that this angle here and this angle here are vertical, so they're going to be congruent. And I can find this one using the interior sum, which says that 30 plus 20 plus something else equals 180. So I know that's 50 plus x equals 180. Subtract 50, and x is 130. So this is my x. This is 130, then this is 130. Okay? So those are the two types of angle relationships you're going to use in today's assignment. Good luck.